Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Dr. Howard at Lookout Mountain Family Dentistry, and I've got a new video for you today. Now this video is geared towards the athlete yourself, and how do you take care of your sports mouth guard. You know, once you're using it at home and you know it's starting to get dirty, what do you do to keep it clean? So I've got this new mouth guard here. Now this is a dual laminate pressure thermoforming plastic custom professionally made sports mouth guard. Now just look inside here at the detail. I'll show a close-up here, but this is why these mouth guards are so special, so much better than the over-the-counter ones. Is you get such a perfect tight fit to your teeth. It doesn't take much for it to stay in there. You know, sometimes you'll have a hard time just getting it out. It's such a perfect fit. But these are really good mouth guards for any type of sport, especially when you want to try to perform at your best and you want a good fitting mouth guard. It's not falling out, you're able to breathe, you're able to talk, and you're going to perform your best when all your equipment is top notch. So you know, you just practice, and the best thing to do after practice is just take that mouth guard out. And you know, you're usually drinking some water, so just take some of your water from your water bottle and just kind of squirt it, spray it, rinse it off, shake any excess off, and then take your towel. You may have a towel that you use, you know, before you wipe your sweat and it's still clean. Just kind of dab your mouth guard, dry it off, and put it back in the box, and it's ready to go and use tomorrow. So tomorrow, you know, after practice, you'll do the same thing. You'll take it out. You'll take your water, spray it, rinse it, shake off any excess, take your towel again, just kind of dry it off, put it back in the box, close it up, and it's ready to go tomorrow, and you'll do the same thing tomorrow. You know, that may be good for, you know, a few weeks or so. Then you start noticing it's got a smell when you open the box, it's got a taste when you put it in, it's starting to get dirty, starting to get nasty. I've seen even mold kind of growing on these, and you've got to do something more to get it clean. You've got to go to the next step. So the next thing to do in cleaning this mouth guard is just get a bottle of some hydrogen peroxide. So what you'll do is you'll take your box and you'll put half water, half hydrogen peroxide in here. So let's put a little bit of this hydrogen peroxide right in the bottom of the box. And you want to make sure you're using cold water, because remember, heat will distort these. It'll melt these. So make sure you're using cold water. So we've got half water, half hydrogen peroxide. Just put that mouth guard in there, kind of agitate it, shake it up, mix it up a little bit. Let that sit for about an hour, and then after an hour you'll come back, you know, agitate it, shake it, and take a toothbrush to it. Any toothbrush will work, but I like these small kid toothbrushes because they've got a small head and they can reach inside there, and you'll just kind of brush, go around and brush the inside of it, and then rinse it under some water. And you may not find that is clean enough to your satisfaction, so you may want to empty out your little box there and do a second round. Do that same thing all over again. Put a little bit of a hydrogen peroxide in there, a little bit of cold tap water, not hot. Avoid the hot water. Put that mouth guard back in there, agitate it, mix it, let it soak for another hour. Come back, take your toothbrush to it, clean it off, brush it out, rinse it under some cold water. And you'll find after that second time it's pretty clean there, and you're able to use it again. For a couple weeks, you'll just do the on-field cleaning. But yeah, once you cleaned it off, you dried it off, you look at it, you notice it doesn't have that shine, that luster, that newness to it that it used to look like. So what you can do a lot of times is get a lighter, get a flame. You've got to be real careful though. You don't want to heat it up too much. It's just a real quick motions with the flame, with the lighter here. And you'll notice that just that adding a little bit of heat with the lighter will kind of give it another little shine to it, so it looks new again. So try those tricks at home with, you know, the on-field water bottle and towel. at home with the hydrogen peroxide and toothbrush and the flame, and you'll get this looking real nice again. Keep it clean. You know, how long does this last? A mouth guard, you know, it's just like any other equipment that you use. You know, if you're growing, you're changing your cleats, your shoes out every season, your mouth is growing just as fast, and so that mouth guard that you had last season is not going to fit because you grew out of it, just like your cleats. Are you chewing on your mouth guard? Are you practicing every day? You know, all those things will cause these mouth guards not to last very long. But you know, usually once a season we'll change these out just like your other equipment. So usually lasts about a year. If you're not growing, you're not chewing on it, you're taking care of it, maybe you can use it again next season and get it to last you 2 years. But yeah, the good thing is just keep it clean and you won't, you know, mind putting it in, and I think it'll last a good long time. So hopefully everybody's staying safe, using their mouth guard, continue practicing, playing those sports, and we'll see you all again next time in our next video. Bye now.